brief of our company, the Kala Group. First of all, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Desranti Maksutuma, and I hold the position of Chief Operating Officer at Kala Group. For over 7 years, Kala Institute has been actively building the nation. Starting from October 18, 1952, it began with trading and intercity transportation, with Cahaya Bone as the foundation that helped Kala grow into the biggest business in Eastern Indonesia. Kala Group meet the community's transportation by becoming one of the founder dealers of Toyota and other car brands. With complete, easy service and a wide network, Kala strength lies in running its automotive dealership business. Also, Kala Group performance has steadily increased since the 1980s and 2000s, when they officially became a Toyota dealer for Eastern Indonesia through PT Haji Kala Toyota, while also expanding their business into the energy and infrastructure sector. And today, Kala Group stands as a symbol of projects for Sulawesi, a company that not only drives the economy but also supports the growth of Indonesia maritime and shipping sector. Okay, that's a brief profile of Kala Group. If you would like to know more about our company, I will feel free if you wanted to ask.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
I'm Nova Ratali from Ratali Bakery. Where has Kala Group shown the biggest growth and influence?
Thank you for your question, and let me answer your question. So your question is, where has Kala Group shown the biggest growth and influence? Kala Group has shown its greatest growth and influence in Eastern Indonesia, particularly on the island of Sulawesi.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
my name is Ekmal Mena. I'm from PT Haji. How does Kala Group contribute to Indonesian maritime and shipping sector?
Thank you for your question. And your question is, how does Kala Group contribute to Indonesia maritime and shipping sector? So Kala Group contributes by supporting national economic growth, investing in infrastructure, and helping the whole Indonesia maritime and shipping industry.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
I'm Fitri from Megatrans Logistics. Founders are the development of Kala Group.
Thank you for your question. Your question is, who found or started the development of Kala Group? Kala Group was formed and developed by the Kala family through its early business, Cahaya Bone.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
My name is Nanda Syafira and I'm from PT Kawasan Industri Makassar. So my question is, when did Kala Group officially become a Toyota dealer for Eastern Indonesia?
So your ask, when did Kala Group officially became a Toyota dealer for Eastern Indonesia? Kala Group officially became a Toyota dealer for Eastern Indonesia in the 1980s and expanded further in the 2000s.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone else? Yes, please.
My name is Ayul Munawara from PT Ayu Industri. What business sector does Kala Group focus on today?
Thank you for your question. So your question is, what business sector does Kala Group focus on today? Today, Kala Group focus on the automotive, energy, and infrastructure sector. Anyone else? Okay, thank you for your question and for your time. Hope we can meet for the next meeting and hope you are fine. Thank you.
Thank you.